Hello, my name is Patrick, and Canva is one of the very greatest graphic design tool of our times, and it's exciting that nowadays Canva is receiving over 100 million users, and it makes the whole world um, use this software like in graphic design. It's one of the very popular and very widely used graphic design tool. One thing that is very interesting about Canva is because there's a lot of templates that has been created that you can easily design something from a template, or even you start from scratch. But because you have templates, it makes it very easy for you to just create anything that you want to create using pre-existing designs, and that makes it cool, and even gives you a rough idea of exactly what you are needed to do. For example, if you want to create a poster, and say it's a portrait poster, I want to show you how it's so interesting to use a template, because it has made everything and the design very easy, efficient, faster. Also makes people to at least have an idea of what exactly you are required to create, or rather what is the common practice when it comes to designing of that specific item. This is the poster, and you can see there is a lot of templates presented here already on your left side panel, and you can choose any template that you want. And by choosing the template that you want, you can easily change maybe a few things, or even change the entire thing. But the template is so nice that it can help you design a very nice stuff. So look, for example, I'm taking this template, and let's increase a little bit to 50%, or rather 25%. So this is a template for a poster that's already made, and you can play with a lot of stuff here and make it customized to your needs. Say for example, you are going to use a green color instead in your design, so you're gonna change this one to green. You also change this other part to green. Where else is blue, you change to green. Maybe also this number system, you can change to green. Oh yes, the lines, you can change to also, yeah, everything that you see that's blue, you can change to green. And that is so interesting. So that is very nice style when it comes to using a template. Let's, for example, also I can change this background and maybe use this other I don't know what's the name of this color, green lemons or whatever. You can even use this one or this, depending on what you require, you need to design actually, and your colors. Okay, so like this is how easy to use a template, and makes it very easy. Okay, so let me change this final one here. Not easy, but it is easy. Yes, compared to designing from scratch. Okay, let me group so that I have this element, the round thing. Yes, it's not yes, now green. You can change this one to black and black and black. Let's say the text color, gonna use black, and maybe this one I'm going to use sweet and citrus green and whatever. For example, this photo, I can just upload any photo and use it, but for now I'm gonna use this, and that is it. Just using this as a demonstration or as an example, and that is how easy you can even also play with this text and change to whatever you want. Same applies to all these other text. Then finally you will have to download, and depending on the format that you want to download into, it's going to be possible for you to have this design very fast and quick. So having a template so easy, it shortens the design period. It also helps you to have a rough idea of exactly what you want to do, and also you elements are already organized in a very nice and cool manner. So what you're gonna do is just play with what you already have, and at the end you'll have a very cool design. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next videos for more Canva tutorials.